At Mazda, great emphasis is placed on the natural driving feel. Kinematic posture control is a unique Mazda technology taking another step in this direction. Naturally, when driving through a bend, the body of any vehicle starts rolling to the outside, reducing grip, cornering stability, and ultimately, driver and passenger comfort. Kinematic posture control counteracts this by applying a small amount of brake force to the rear inner wheel. This brief impulse significantly reduces body roll, adds cornering stability, and provides assuring feedback to the driver. This feature adds no weight at all to the vehicle and helps the car behave as a harmonious extension of the driver's body, the embodiment of Jinba Ittai, the Japanese word for oneness between horse and rider.